All right, let's do our work together for 11.2. The instructions say journalize the transactions for Klein Interiors using December of the current year. Use page 12 of the general journal. Source documents are abbreviated as follows. Credit memorandum is CM and sales invoice is S. So during December, I see June transactions. That is really odd. I believe that may be a typo. So let's start. First of all, we have June 4th. We have a sales, it says right up here, granted credit to Keller Associates for the merchandise returned plus sales tax, etc. So we have a sales, the returns and allowances. All right, it's our credit memorandum 28. Our debit is $245. And then sales tax payable we don't need another credit memorandum, but it's $14.70. And then this will be indented in accounts receivable. Goodness. Keller Associates for $259.70. And that's all for the June 4th one. Next, we have June 9th. If you read up here, learned that a sale on account to Ashton and Lindsay LLP was incorrectly charged to the account Abraham Corporation, memorandum number 61. So on June 9th, we've got Ashton and Lindsay LLP, memorandum 61. $623, and we need to move that to Abraham Corporation, same memorandum, $623. Excuse me. Next, on the 12th, granted credit to Lambert Schools for damaged merchandise for $206. There's no sales tax for schools. Let's do that one. We have the 12th. Sales, returns, and allowances. That is credit memo, 29, $206, and accounts receivable / Lambert Schools, $206. Next, 26th, found that a sale on account to Keller Associates was incorrectly charged to the account of Carson Properties. We're very bad at this, aren't we? So let's move it. 26th, Keller Associates, can't spell, memorandum 62 for $598, and we need to move that to Carson Properties. Cool. I think we're done. Next, we're going to post those transactions. Okay, so let's fill in all of these because that always seems easier to me. Sales, returns, and allowances. That is $41.30. So I'm going to type in $41.30. I think I have another sales, returns, and allowances. Let's do that too. Sales tax payable right there, $21.20. Any other sales tax? Nope. Accounts receivable and Keller Associates. So accounts receivable is 1130. And then that / Keller Associates is 140. Ashton and Lindsay is 120. Abraham Corporation is 110. Accounts receivable is 1130. We already had that one. And then Lambert Schools is 150. Keller Associates 140. Carson Properties 130. Okay, we got that done. Check, 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 check. Now let's post. All right, Abraham Corporation. Okay, on the 9th, right there. Let's put that one in. We don't have to write anything. Our post-ref is G12. And our credit is $623, right there, $623. Then do the math. Okay, subtract those. Let's try Ashton and Lindsay, right there. So that is the 9th. We don't have to write anything there, G12. It's a debit of $623, so that's going to increase. Carson Properties, right here, that's the 26th. Also G12. It's a credit, $598. So subtract those. Keller Associates, let's see up here. Keller's right there, and Keller's right there. There's 2 of them for Keller, that's good. We have 2 blanks. The 4th is the first one, G12. And our credit, which is right there, is $259.70. So that decreases. And then the 26th is the other one. Still G12. Gotta put it in. $598. So that's going to increase the number here. Awesome. One more. Lambert. Right there. So it is a credit of $206 on the 12th. Okay, subtract those. Cool. Okay, let's post these. Accounts receivable, there's 2 of them. Accounts receivable is here, the $259 on the 4th and the 12th. So we have the 4th and the 12th. Our post-ref is going to be G8, or sorry, G12. I don't know why I said 8. G12. Our credit of $259.70. I did that wrong. $259.70. Subtract those. And on the 12th, still G12. $206. Decreases again. Okay, sales tax payable. I think there was just one of those, if I remember, right there. $14.70 on the 4th. A debit of $14.70. So we're going to subtract that. Excuse me. And sales, returns, and allowances. 1, 2 on the 4th and the 12th. G12, G12. Okay, we have a debit of $245, which is going to increase this. And a debit of $206, which will also increase this. And that should be it. And it won't grade it. So, all right, let me know if you have any questions.